Hi everyone, I quickly wanted to demo my LinkedIn agent, the version 2 of it, which I've been talking about. It has gotten almost 2,500 plus likes and almost 2,000 plus comments. So let's see how this works. Let's say that I'm going to New York tomorrow and I want to ask LinkedIn who are the three most interesting people I should meet who are working in generative AI stuff at Snap. And I want to get their email IDs. I want cold emails written to them so that they can schedule an appointment for me. Let's go. So I've typed this query and you can see the agent actually worked through it. The basic problem that this is solving is that search on LinkedIn takes so damn long. I have to wait hours or even days to get replies, and sometimes I don't even get replies. It's hard to read summaries of people, what they work, and as you can see, this is doing it in an automated way. Ultimately, I want to get like a sheet, which you can see this is like an empty sheet right now. It has created this sheet, which it will populate based on the results that it gets. Let's see how it does and what are the results. And ultimately, I want drafts or personalized emails written to them in my drafts folder. Let's see if these pop up or not. It's running right now, so we'll see how that does. Let's see here. Yeah, as you see, this has been done. We have like three people at Snap who are working in generative AI, and it has looked at my background and already told me that hey, I'm doing this. I like your expertise. I do this at YouTube. Can we connect? Basically, that's how it works. And if I go to my folder here in the draft section, I have three emails written to them already. So I can just like go here and just send the email to them. That's the demo. Thanks for watching.